Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to check Google Maps history. Alright, as you can see here, I have my Google Maps opened. And once you're in here, just go ahead and tap on the search function right here at the top. Alright, specifically on the top left. And once you're in here, as you can see, there is a more option. Just tap on it and then just go to timeline. Alright, if you haven't turned on a timeline yet, you must turn it on right here. Just go ahead and tap on this one right here, then hit on turn on. All right, so your future trips or Google Map history will be saved. Again, just go to timeline. All right, you should be able to see this particular section right here. Now you can also tap on these tabs right here, which is trips, insights, places, cities that you have visited, or the world. All right, as you can see here, I have 0 countries or any places that visited recently because I haven't turned on the timeline. Well, that is it. Well, hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.